In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and customize your Wix website by removing unwanted images or videos from a strip. Whether you're designing a new site or updating an existing one, maintaining a clean and relevant visual aesthetic is important. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience. To start, you'll want to log into your Wix account and access the Wix editor. This is the platform where you can make all the visual changes to your site, from layout adjustments to content updates. Once inside the editor, navigate to the page containing the strip you want to modify. Strips in Wix serve as horizontal containers for your content, allowing you to organize text, images, and videos effectively. Now, with the desired page open, carefully select the strip you want to edit. Simply hover your mouse over the strip and click to select it. This action highlights the entire strip, making it clear and ready for editing. Keep in mind that whatever changes you make will apply only to the strip you've selected. The next step involves addressing the image or video you want to remove. Look closely at the strip and click directly on the image or video you wish to delete. This will single it out from the rest of the elements in the strip. You'll see a bounding box appear around the image or video, indicating that it's ready for modification. With the item selected, you have two straightforward options to delete it. The first method is to simply press the delete key on your keyboard. This will instantly remove the image or video from your strip, clearing the space for anything else you'd like to add in the future. However, if you're using a device without a direct delete key, not to worry. You can achieve the same result by right-clicking on the selected image or video. A menu will pop up, providing you with various options. From this menu, you'll select Delete, and just like that, the unwanted content will be removed from your strip. After successfully deleting the item, take a moment to review your strip. Ensure that its current design aligns with your overall vision for the page. If you've other images or videos you'd like to incorporate, now is an excellent time to do so. Completing this process will help keep your site's design clean and focused, enhancing user engagement and visual appeal. Remember, maintaining a fresh and uncluttered layout is key to creating a pleasant user experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your creative projects.